In an election, two candidates participated. 20% voters did not vote. 720 votes declared invalid, and the winner get 41% of voting list and win by 1200 votes. Find the number of votes in voting list. Take voting list is equal to 100. So voting, so 20% votes did not, 20% voters did not vote, means 20% of 100, so value is 20. So voting is 100 minus 20, so value is 80. 720 votes are declared as invalid. So valid votes is 80 minus 720. Here 80 is voting, so minus 720. So 720 is invalid votes. So 10 rupees minus 2 rupees. So value is equal to 8 rupees. So 10 rupees minus 1 kilometer. So it is not possible to subtract two values, their units are different. Similarly, here it is a voting, this is invalid. So it is not possible to subtract 80 minus 720. So it is take voting list is 100, voting 100x, voting is 80x, valid is 80x minus 720. The winner will get 41% of voting list. Here voting list is 100x, so the winner will get 41% of voting list. So voting 100x, 41% of 100x is equal to 41x. Winner will get 41x, so loser will get valid minus winner. So valid is minus 720 minus 41x. Value is 39x minus 720. And in by 1200. So winner minus loser votes is a majority. So 41x minus 39x minus 720. So this value is equal to 1200. 41x minus 39x minus 720 is equal to 1200. So 41x minus 39. So 2x plus 720 is equal to 1200. So 2x is equal to 1200 minus 720. So 480. 480. So x is equal to 240. So voting list is equal to into 240. So value is 24,000. take voting list is 100. So voting is 20 percentage of, so 20 percentage voters did not vote. That means voting is 100 minus 20. So voting is 80. So valid votes is 80 minus 720. Okay, here I am taking only 80. So not consider the 720 votes, invalid votes. The winner will get 41 percentage of voting list. So voting list is 100. So 41 percentage is 41. So winner will get 41 percentage of voting list. So the losing person can get valid minus winning. So difference is 39. So losing person can get 39 percentage of votes, and winning person win by 1200 votes. So winning person get 41 percentage, losing person can 39 percentage. So win is the difference of winner minus loser. So 41 minus 39. So value is 2. So the difference is 1200. But in this 1200 votes, 720 votes are invalid. So please subtract 720 from 1200. So value is 480. So here 2 units represents 480. So 1 unit represents 240. So 100 units represents 20 into 240. So 24,000 is a voting list. So voting is into 240. It 32. So 19,200. So what is valid votes? So 19200 minus 720. Okay, so this is called a valid votes. So in an election, 2 candidates participated. 30 percentage voters did not vote. 500 votes declared valid, and the winner get 50 percentage of voting list and win by 1100 votes. Find the number of votes in voting list. Take voting list is 100x. So voting is 30 percentage voters did not vote. So that means 30 percentage of 100x is 30. 30 percentage of 100x is 30x. 100 minus, so voting list is 100. So voting is 30 percentage of 100x is equal to 30x. So 100x minus 30x value is 70x. So valid is 70x minus 500. So 500 votes are declared as invalid. So valid votes are voting minus 500. So the winner will get 50% of voting list. So 50% of 100x value is 50x. So the loser will get valid minus winning. So valid is 70x minus 500 minus 50x. So 70x minus 50x, so 20x minus 500. So the loser will get 20x minus 500. And the winner will win by 1100 votes. So majority is winning minus losing. So winning 50x minus 20x minus 500. So this value is equal to 1100. So 50x minus 20x plus 500 is equal to 1100. So 30x is equal to 600. So x is equal to 20. So find the number of voting list. So voting list is 100 into x. So value is 100 into 20. So value is 2000. So voting is 70x. So 70 into 20. So valid votes. Valid votes is voting minus 500. 900. Okay, so take voting list is equal to 100. So voting is equal to 30% did not cast their vote. So 30% of 100 is 30. So 100 minus 30. So voting is 70. So valid is taken as 70. So here I am ignoring the invalid votes. So invalid votes is 500. So winner will get the 50% of voting list. Voting list is 100. So 50% of 100 is 50. The winner will get 50. So the loser will get valid minus winning. So 70 minus 50. So value is 20. So the loser will get 20. And win by 1100 votes. So winning is the difference of winner minus loser. So winning 50 minus 20. Value is 30. So is win by 1100 votes. But here we are ignoring the value of invalid votes. So invalid votes is 500. So please subtract 500 from the 1100. Okay. So these are the invalid votes. So valid votes is 600. So 30 units represents 600. 1 unit represents 20. So 100 units represent into 20 2000. So 7 units represent into 20, so 1400. So valid is voting minus invalid. So voting is 1400 minus invalid is 500. So value 500. So value is 9.